One of these AI avatars looks real, the other feels unsettling. Both promise human-like video, but only one delivers. The difference shows up fast. First, we're going to look at videos generated by both tools using their default models. Same avatar, same motion prompts, same script. This way, the comparison stays fair. Okay, first, watch how HeyGen creates the talking avatar using its current model, Avatar 4.
Hi there. You're now watching me bring this script to life using the HeyGen's photo-to-video feature, created entirely from just my photo.
Looks fine. Now, let's do the same thing with Jogg AI. This one uses their current model, Avatar Lite version 1.0 Pro. Watch closely.
Hi there. You're now watching me bring this script to life using the Jogg AI's photo-to-video feature, created entirely from just my photo.
Wow, they're actually very close. Both tools do a good job with lip syncing. Facial expressions look solid. Hand movements feel natural. At first glance, both almost feel realistic. But wait a minute. Real performance is not just about looking real. It's about timing, emotion, and a bit of imperfection. That's what really makes a video feel human. That's exactly what we're testing in this HeyGen versus Jogg AI comparison. Now let's talk about timing. Timing depends a lot on the voice you choose and how much control you have over it. In HeyGen, you can pick from a large library of AI voices powered by 11 labs only. That part is great. But HeyGen does not allow you to add custom pauses inside the script. And pauses matter. They control pacing. They make speech feel natural. Now look at Jogg AI. Jogg AI lets you add pauses directly into the script. This gives you much better control over timing. It also integrates with popular AI voice generators like 11 Labs, Minimax, Azure, and Hume. Before we move on, Jogg AI also supports the 11 Labs 11v3 model. This model makes voices more expressive and dynamic. Honestly, this is where flexibility comes in. HeyGen is still missing other voice integrations. And honestly, that's a big deal. Especially when you compare it to what Jogg AI is doing right now. Because look, I personally love Hume voices. Like genuinely, if I want to use Hume AI's voice, I can't do it inside HeyGen. So what do I have to do? I have to go to Jogg AI every single time. And yeah, that kind of says a lot. Because creators don't want to jump between tools. We want flexibility, we want options, and we definitely want control over our voice selection. Jogg AI gets that. HeyGen, not quite there yet. Pretty wild, right? Hopefully HeyGen catches up soon, because voice choice isn't a nice-to-have anymore. It's essential. Okay, now let's move on to emotion. You know that most AI avatar tools can make a talking face. That part is solved, but they still don't feel human. Emotion is the difference between a human and a robot. Here's where things separate clearly. HeyGen does not offer built-in emotional control for avatars. You might try changing the script or prompts, but the voice still sounds flat, and the avatar feels mechanical. Jogg AI takes a different approach. They introduced a new model called AvatarX. This model allows the avatar to speak with emotions: sad, angry, nervous, happy, confident, and more. Now, let's actually see this in action. First, watch the angry mode.
I've already explained this twice and I'm losing patience, so pay attention now, because I'm not saying it again.
Now, it's nervous.
Okay. If you feel like this video helped you learn something useful, maybe, you could subscribe to the channel. No pressure, of course.
Notice something? The emotion comes through in both the voice and the face. Now let's try Disgusted.
Honestly, if you're still using some outdated AI avatar tool after seeing this, it's frustrating because you're going to lose your audience while your competitor moves ahead with Jogg AI.
Same thing. The avatar doesn't just read the line, it feels the line. If this feels surprising, that's normal. Most tools don't do this well yet. You can even customize emotions in Jogg AI using the right prompts. This gives you more control if you know what you want. With HeyGen, you might try the same thing, but the voice stays emotionless. And when the voice doesn't change, the avatar feels off. So let's be clear here. For emotion, Jogg AI clearly takes the lead. HeyGen lags behind in this area. That's the key difference to remember as we move forward. First, let's look at pricing, especially if you're working solo like me. Think YouTuber, content creator, or a SaaS developer making onboarding or training videos. This is exactly who these plans are built for. Both HeyGen and Jogg AI offer an individual plan. They even use the same name. It's called the Creator Plan. With it, you can create unlimited avatar videos. Now, quick advice from experience. Always check the pricing pages yourself. This part matters, especially with Jogg AI. Here's why. HeyGen keeps pricing simple. It costs $24 per month. No extra rules. Easy to budget. That's a big plus if you just want professional, realistic-looking videos. Jogg AI, on the other hand, costs $36 per month, and it uses a credit-based system. Some actions consume credits. If you're not paying attention, that can feel limiting. I've tested both. And this is the decision framework I'd use. If you don't need emotional avatars, and you just want clean, professional videos at a lower cost, HeyGen is the better choice. But if you want your avatar to show real emotion, and you want the voice to match that emotion, then Jogg AI is the only real option right now. Yes, it's more expensive. But for expressive, emotional avatars, it delivers. HeyGen and Jogg AI feel very similar at first. Same layout, same structure, same left side navigation. Both are easy to learn and simple to switch between. They also share most core features like avatar videos and text-to-video. The difference shows up in standout tools. HeyGen focuses on fast multi-scene videos, while Jogg AI leans into avatar VFX and visual effects. So now the question is simple: which one actually makes videos feel human? Honestly, both HeyGen and Jogg AI are strong tools. If you only care about clean visuals, good lip sync, and a professional look, HeyGen does that very well. It's easier on the budget. It's simple to use. And for many creators, that's more than enough. But here's the key takeaway. Looking human is not the same as feeling human. And this is where Jogg AI pulls ahead. If your goal is looking professional, HeyGen is excellent. If your goal is feeling human, Jogg AI has the edge. The biggest mistake creators make is choosing tools based on visuals instead of viewer psychology. HeyGen builds visual trust. Jogg AI builds emotional trust. Before you decide, ask yourself one question. Do you just want an avatar that talks, or an avatar that feels human? That answer will tell you exactly which tool to use. I've linked both tools in the description so you can test them yourself and see which one fits your workflow best. And if this breakdown helped you make a clearer decision, subscribe to the channel. I test this stuff so you don't have to.